Okay, good morning. Welcome to
MathyMath number 70.
MathyMath70. This is actually a really interesting problem. It's problem number 18 from the 2008 AMC 10A. A right triangle has perimeter 32 and area 20. How long is the hypotenuse? Whoa. Okay.
Well, perimeter's 32, area's 20.
Yeah, perimeter's 32, area's 20.
So we have two equations.
And it's a right triangle.
Yeah. Just gonna call this A, B, and C.
Yep.
So we know that A plus B plus C is 32.
Yep, 32. Perimeter's 32.
And A times B over 2 is 20.
Yep.
So A times B is 40.
Okay.
Is there anything else we know? Well, since it's a right triangle, we also know that A squared plus B squared equals C squared.
Okay. Maybe that will help.
Well, we have three variables and three equations.
Okay.
So now what can we do with these equations? Well, we could try to substitute some stuff in here.
Okay.
Like, from this equation, A equals 40 over B.
All right.
So then you get 40 over B plus B plus C is 32.
All right. Do you think that substitution made this equation easier or harder?
Probably harder.
Okay. But why?
Well, because you're getting fractions,
Okay,
and
you're
you
getting.
didn't have those before.
Okay.
So what can we substitute, and where can we substitute it?
Yeah, it's a good question. What can we substitute? Where can we substitute?
Well, I mean, maybe you could put this in here.
Ooh. Okay.
Then you get 400 over B squared
Mm-hmm.
plus B squared.
Yeah, it's tricky. This is actually very tricky to know sort of how to navigate this problem. How do you substitute? What do you do?
So, substitutions seem to make it more complicated.
Okay. But there's actually a different substitution. So the 40 over b seems to be introducing, some fractions and things on the bottom.
Yeah, so maybe we don't really want that.
Yeah, maybe not.
Well, we can see what A equals up here. A is 32 minus B minus C.
Okay.
So we really don't want to substitute that in here because we don't want to square that.
Yeah, maybe not.
And here you have to multiply everything by B. So,
Yeah. Okay. Tell you what, because you're running a little late, I'm gonna give you a gigantic hint. We're gonna do this substitution. C is the square root of a squared plus b squared. Okay.
so that comes from here.
Yeah, and we're gonna put it into here. And this is just sort of knowing how some algebra is probably gonna work out. So we're gonna get a plus b equals 32 minus the square root of a squared plus b squared. Okay. Now, when I square both sides of this to try to get rid of this,
Well, you're going to get an A squared plus B squared on this side, but you're going to get some other things on that side.
yeah, so I get a squared. What do I get when I square this side?
So A squared plus 2AB plus B squared.
What's the nice thing about the 2ab?
Well, you're going, so that's all that's left.
Well, there's something else really nice about the 2ab.
Well, that is even, and that you have an even number on the other side.
Even nicer.
Well, it's positive.
Even nicer. There's something super, super, super duper, duper nice about 2ab. What do I know about ab?
Well, I know the area. I know that comes from the area. A times B is 40. So that's
So
80.
I know what this is. This side I get, well, let's pretend this is x minus y squared. So I get, what do I get when I square 32 minus the square root of a squared plus b squared?
Well, you get 32 squared.
Okay, 32 squared.
Minus 2 times this times this.
Okay, that's 2 times 32 times. Do you remember what square root of a squared plus b squared was? What is the square root of a squared plus b squared?
It's. Right. What do you mean?
What is it in the problem? Square root of a
It's
squared.
the height. It's C.
See, it's what we're looking for. Okay. Plus, I get this squared, which is a squared plus b squared. Okay.
So the A squared plus B squared cancel out.
A squared plus b squared is cancel.
And
2ab was 80.
Yep.
And I can move this 2 times 32c to the other side. See, that's why this substitution was a miracle. Everything canceled. Okay, so I get 2 times 32 times c, moving this to the other side to make it positive, equals 32 squared minus, you remember what 2ab was?
80.
80.
Well,
Okay. So first let's divide everything by 2. So I get 32c equals 16 times 32 minus 40. That was 32 times 32. So it looks like I got a few more divisions I can
yeah,
do.
8.
Yeah, 8. Okay, so 4c equals 2 times 32 minus 5. Alright, so that's nice.
64 minus 5, 59, and then C is 59 over 4.
59 over 4. So this is actually a tremendous algebra problem. And so we'll talk a little bit more about this. I know you're in a little bit of a hurry to get out the door this morning, so that's why we wanted to go through this quickly. By the way, 59 over 4 is a choice. And in fact, is it right? B, 59 over 4. Okay, but I want to show you one other thing really quick, okay?
Alright.